Welcome you back to the farm. Today's a big day. We're gonna try to make some syrup, some black walnut syrup. And I got 5 gallons, and I'll show you. I've got it kind of sitting over here. We're gonna pour it in here. We're gonna get this started first. I got an evaporator pan, and I got it from Vevor, stainless steel. It's supposed to hold 11 gallons, and I've only got 5, so hopefully it don't take that long to boil down. I got my old camp stove here, and I've had that for years. I can't remember where I got that at, but we got a great deal on that. I paid about 90 bucks for this, and I had some credits to go with that, so it's usually 102 or something like that. So I'm gonna get this thing lit. My plan was, when I measured it out, I must have mismeasured it because I thought it would go over 2 burners, but it won't. So I'm gonna start it out and just 1 burner in the middle there, and we'll see how it goes. And I've cleaned this out. I just got through cleaning. It's got a little water in it, but it evaporates. So, all right, we'll see if I can get this thing started. We'll pour this 5 gallons in here. I think I started collecting again yesterday because of the temperature, and as soon as I get this started, we'll run in there and get. I think I got another gallon down there from just one day, so I'm gonna collect it and put it in here and boil it down. So hopefully we should have somewhere around 6 gallons, and it should make. I think it's 40 to 1. So I ain't got. Well, I'm filming on my phone, so I can't use my calculator. So it'll be a fifth of 128 ounces per gallon. Anyway, hopefully we'll get a quart. So that's my goal. All right, let's get this thing lit and get that over there and get them evaporating. I bought this pan too is because, matter of fact, I might even start collecting some maple syrup today, and then later on in the year we'll do sorghum with it. So. Golly, that's already hot. All right, here we go. First gallon. I don't know if that's a good sign or not. They got a lot nicer evaporator pans than this one. I got one with a warming thing on it. I didn't quite understand what that was for. But I wish I'd got the one now, thinking about it, has a built-in thermometer that sticks in there where you can kind of see where you're at. There, I got about, like I said, I got 5 gallons in there. I'm gonna wait. I don't know if I'm gonna go down and check and see how much I got before I commit to pouring the rest of it in there. I'm gonna get this evaporated down, and this has got a little valve on it right here, stainless steel valve. I think I'm gonna put an L on it. That way it'd be easier to filter, because I got to filter this. It's gonna have pectin in it when it cuts down so far. And it comes with a filter, so I'm gonna filter that into another smaller pot when it reduces down. Then we gotta get to 219 degrees, and I got a little thermometer here. I gotta get a battery for it though. And so I don't know what time it is. It's probably about 10. And when this thing starts boiling, we'll come back. About an hour in or into the boil, and it's starting to come up pretty good. It's starting to simmer a little bit. So let's check the temp on it. $207. So I think that's pretty good. I really can't tell if it's probably went down about that much. So and just now started simmering. So I'm gonna watch it and we'll stir a little bit maybe, and hopefully we ain't got much longer. So we're at 1 hour right now. All right, we're 2 hours in and it's down a good inch and a half, maybe, no, inch and a quarter probably from where it was. Cooking down really good. So had a little hiccup. My propane ran out. I was actually working on another project, so we was actually working on another project and propane ran out. So I just had one anyway that didn't have very much in it, and I wanted to get rid of it. So I need to check this one. Still pretty good, I think. We don't take much longer. Hopefully another hour. So I'll come back in another hour and see where we're at. We are at the 3 hour mark and it's over. It's probably going down 2.5 inches, so only about that much in there right now. And I have a little problem with my stove. I don't know what's going on with it. I thought it was the wind blowing, but I don't know what the deal was. It holds steady about 208 degrees, which is what we want. And it's starting to get some color to it, and I'll show you in just a second. And then all of a sudden, you hear it, it sounds like it quits or something. It changes temperature, and I don't know if it's the wind whipping around here or what. So, we're about 200 right now, so I don't know. What's going on. And either that or this tank's running out, but it feels heavy, so I don't know. But I am getting some color. And there's only about that much in there, so I'll show you the color of it real quick. Okay, I'm about 4 hours in, and went over to a different pot, smaller pot, and I'm getting a good boil on it now. Ran out of gas again. I had to go get gas. Had quite the time. I really wasn't prepared for this long of a time to do this. So, but I'm about 212 right now. I checked it just a minute ago. I need to get to 219, and I did filter it. Here's some of that old pectin that they was talking about. And I might filter it again. I don't know. I ain't decided yet. I got this box here to block the wind. I got it all of a sudden the wind really is whipping and it's kind of messing with my flame. So hopefully that box don't catch on fire. So anyway. All right. We're at 212. We got to get to 219. I totally screwed this thing up. I mean, totally. This is what I got. Look at it. I was sitting there in this, putting the other pot, this little pot, and I sit there at 214, 214, and I got to talking. All of a sudden I looked down and it was thick, and I checked the temperature, it was like 230, so I burn it all up. And I mean, I even tasted this, and I mean, it's thick now. I think it's gonna be really good, and I'm gonna try it again when I get some more. But that tastes burnt. still got that nutty, kind of a earthy flavor to it, but it's got that little bit of burnt to it too, so I can't use that. And you see how it foamed up. I mean, it was almost at 214. I wonder if I should, I don't know. And see, it's supposed to get to 219, so I sat there at 210 for a long time. Then it got to 212 and sit there for a long time. Then it got to 214, sat there for a long time. I was watching it and got sidetracked, and all of a sudden, just like that. So I've said this 1,000 times. I'm trying to keep it real. I screwed this all up, so I don't know. We'll try it again, and I might not show the whole complete thing. I don't know. I mean, I don't know how many videos I watched, and they all make it look easy, like, you know, just do this, do that, yeah. 5 hours I spent on this, and this is what I got to show for it. Oh, a total disaster. Oh well, hope you enjoyed the video. You can laugh at my failure. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. I just screwed it up. And I'm keeping it real here. I gotta go do my chores now. They're probably hollering at me. Okay. I also screwed my camera up to this morning. A good camera. The lens was dirty. I took some Windex and sprayed it, and it must have got inside the lens. So I don't know if that's ruined or not. I need to go check on that. So we've had a pretty good day here on the farm today. All right, failure. And I mean, it's liquidy. It's just got it burnt and it's not clear. So complete failure. All right, give me a thumbs up. I don't blame you if you don't subscribe to me, because I screw this up. But anyway, if you feel sorry for me, subscribe to me. Give me a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down in the farm next video.